Hi everyone, in this video, let's see if we can put pictures in TikTok comments. So here in our TikTok, so try to open TikTok and just find there any random, just reply to any random comments from the videos and just tap on the reply button, and in this video button in here we can tap on it and add our videos or photos. Now TikTok has no option for us to upload directly or any videos or photos from our galleries, just like the other social media platforms like Facebook. This is what we can do for now. Just simply tap that button and then go on tap next once you have selected the video or certain picture, and then you can see that information replying to that person. Okay, and you can just change here the privacy settings into friends and then just post it, so that way, so just tap this one, we can see how it looks like. So it looks like still you're replying to that person, but it's more on a post way. So hope that it will change sooner, and if this is informative, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.